Thank you, Shashi. In continuation with the digital initiatives which has been taken in our plant, especially in coal chemicals department, the Sail Mitra is an app which generates the raw data which we take from vibration. It generates into an AI-based analysis for it is which will be used for our maintenance engineers to predict exactly what the problem is. The second is the process monitoring through CCTV. CCTV helps us in close monitoring or process monitoring, which better utilizes us for prediction of results. Radar-based level sensors, online gas dashboard, SOP, SMP, QR code, operation of drum crystallizer and hydraulic press in auto mode, complete automation of ammonium stripping unit for controlling the ammonia excess legal related. And lastly, the online pH monitoring for better control over stack emission. This is the Sail Mitra app which has been just told before. It's basically as Mitra stands for Machine Intelligence for Troubleshooting and Reliability Assessment. In this app, basically we give the vibration data which we take through our vibration apparatus and its axial, vertical, horizontal, and finally after giving all the data like temperature, motor current, and we run the comprehensive analysis. When this is run, it gives the approximately what the problem is in the machine related to vibration related problems. And in the last slide, we can see that when we press what type of load we are giving, it gives about the fan, the exhauster, the blower type load, pump load, conveyor, hammer pressure, and if the motor is running on net solo mode, means it is running on no load. The basic advantages which of utilizing this app is that it predicts bearing wear, misalignment, imbalance, foundation issues, and electrical faults using AI. The main advantages are it reduces unplanned downtime of equipment. Second, extend the equipment life and enable data-driven maintenance. Currently, the operator enters the required data through our vibration small kit, but in future we are planning to integrate it with IoT. This is the result which when we run the analysis mode, this is the result which we get after in the panel output in PDF form, which can be produced or taken out and print out. It's basically the vibration analysis is produced in radar spiral chart system. It gives the predicted life, and the fault analysis it tells what through AI system what fault basically integrated in it. And finally, it gives the prediction life, how much time is left in the current situation if it runs. Now I hand over the mic to Mr. Nagavendra.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We have installed a CCTV camera in various locations, which has helped us in process monitoring and quick response during abnormal situations. And our next digital initiative, radar-based level sensor, which we have installed in all coal chemical storage tanks, which has enhanced our safety compliance and reduced error in level checking. And next is our online gas dashboard, which has also linked with air, so which can be checked from anywhere. With the smartphone technology, we have converted our SMP and SOP in QR code and digitalized and pasted at various locations, so anyone can see them. And this is the example. And we have also converted our DC press operation from manual to auto mode, and same is the ammonia stripping unit. And our next project that we are going to take are real-time monitoring of absolute load and key parameters in BOD like DO, pH and COD, and dashboard operator alerts, and further digital initiatives that are in execution phase are upgradation of instrumentation system at tar distillation plant and flow meter for loading of naphthalene oil and PCM. And our achievement in last year, we have highest ever ammonium sulfate dispatch and highest ever core chemical revenue of 549.37 crore, and this is also a achievement in last year. Thank you.
Thank you. Next team, Mekon.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am the last presenter, and I can see everyone becomes very tired. So I will try to finish my presentation in 2 slides. So don't worry. Before I start the presentation, I would like to tell one story, a small story about the RINL plant. Sir, RINL representative truly said that during the commissioning of COB5 and one project, augmentation project was done, there is a challenge to sub the gas from 1.8 kilometer to the existing exhauster plant. This was really challenge. That time, I know it was the story of 2019. In the closed chamber, it was discussed. Earlier, what happened? Battery 1, planning था कि battery 1 हम लोग down करेंगे और battery 2, 3, 4, 5 हम लोग commission करेंगे. That's why Macron kept a provision to commission battery 5 if byproduct is not ready to divert the gas into the existing plant and connect the gas pipeline towards PGC1 to PGC13. But suddenly management decided no, we have to run all the 4 or 5 batteries. Then Macron were called in that meeting. Chairman Saab asked Macron what minimum facilities we should consider so that we can run 5 batteries. Macron just make a list, sir, in order to commission battery 5 and what minimum facilities. Then Macron suggested to keep 2 PGC, 1 ATP, 1 exhauster, 2 ammonia column, and the rest of the gas, excess gas. Because the earlier Vizag plant was capacity of handling 1,80,000 normal meter cube per hour. Some 30 meter cube excess gas we have to bypass, and where we should bypass, we will bypass the gas from the FGC. So that was the concept given by the Macron, and Chairman Sahab asked in that meeting what is the project cost. Just we have calculated in the fingers and we said 60 crores. But the main this was not the main issue. The main issue was who will ensure whether the new exhauster will suck the gas from 1.8 kilometer to existing plant. RNL management said no, Macron has to give in writing. Because RNL is going to invest 60 crores and if the result means the result नहीं आया तो who will be the responsible? किसको ठहराया जाएगा? So Macron has given in writing that yes, this exhauster will serve the gas from 1.8 kilometer to the existing plant, and Macron has given in writing with calculation. Our process engineers calculate the figures. RINL at that time contacted another two technology providers, but they were not sure whether this system will work or not. Macron engineers, basically process engineers calculated yes, this will be the process loss and this exhauster will work. On that calculation basis, RINL has given on nomination basis job to Macron for augmentation project, and I was the designer of that project. And Mr. Pankaj is here. Mr. Pankaj is here. He is process man and he has calculated everything. Not only we have designed, we have executed the process too, but we have not supplied. Supply was kept under the RINL scope because we have some lacuna in supplying project, everyone knows. But we are very good in detail engineering. Challenge was to commission the entire system in 1 year, and supply of the exhauster, it takes more than 8 months, 10 months. So this was another challenge comes. कैसे हम exhauster को supply करेंगे? Delano Mas was the supplier of that exhauster, जो कि exhauster number 6 supply किया है. उनसे पूछा गया, मैं कौन पूछा over phone कि how much time you will take? वो बोला कि सर 8 महीने. 8 महीना में और हमको 12 महीना में प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करना कैसे होगा? बताना नहीं चाहिए, but it is true. Macron at that time was going to supply exhauster for COP number 8. ठीक है, वो सब अलग चीज है. Now, if you compare the RINL layout, all 5 exhausters are in parallel, and only one exhauster is perpendicular to the existing exhauster. The why this occurs, nobody can tell. Only Macron can tell why this we have done. We have faced many issues during the commissioning of the exhauster also. More than 10 issues we have faced. I was posted there during the COVID time because the whole plant was designed by me. So management decided to put Shri Arun Kumar there, who will assist RINL and commission the project in time. So during that COVID painful period, I was there for 1 year, not 1 year, 6-7 months. And that time, everyone knows कि कोरोना में कितना difficult था काम करना, but still RINL engineer, Macron engineer has done this job and commissioned that plant in 1 year. So this was a really immense achievement. So my name is Arun Kumar Topo, Assistant General Manager, Coal and Chemical Division from Macron Ranchi, and my colleague Pankaj Kumar is here. He is also Assistant General Manager, Coal and Chemical. He is looking after process design. So today I want to my presentation is basically enhancement of efficiency of primary gas cooler, the first equipment of byproduct plant. You know about the PGC, so I will not explain what is PGC and how it works. I will not tell about that. We simply want to present an idea how we will increase the efficiency of the PGC. Here you can see the 2 photographs. Another mic set. Hello. Here you can see 2 photographs. This is the normal, left side is the normal. You can see propellant gas enters from the top and releases from bottoms, and there is 2 sections, cooling water section and chilled water section. In the modified PGC, if you see the right side pictures, between the 2 sections, cooling section and the chilled water section, we are proposing and we have an idea. We are not executed this PGC, but we have an idea to create a partition. Means create a partition and put a plate, and there will. This is the partition, and this will be the riser pipe. The gas which enters from the top can easily pass through this riser pipe and goes to the chilling section and leaves out. what we are proposing and what we have the ideas, कि whatever condensate means in cooling section, whatever condensate generate, we will just collect in the partition plate, and from this plate we will take out and it will go to the seal pot, and after that seal pot it will go to the collecting tank. Similarly, cooling chilled water chilled section, condensate take out from the bottom, it will go to the seal pot and go to the collecting tank. What is the main concept? What is the main concept is there? Whatever heat load means whatever heat load is going to chilling section by the condensate, that will not go to the chilling section. We will, because we are taking out through this portion and it will go to the seal pot. तो वो जो हीट लोड है वो इस एरिया में नहीं जा रहा है. इससे क्या होगा कि whatever आप जो भी क्वांटिटी आप चिल्ड वाटर का दे रहे हैं, that will be utilized only to cool the gas. Right? Next slide, we will in better way. See, we have made two cases, and this is the calculation what we have our process engineer have done. You can see in case one, suppose from a gas we have to cool from 82 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. In case one, the total heat carried COG inlet to PGC means 69 lakhs kilocalorie per hour, and the heat carried out by condensate, you can see that is around 5 lakhs kilocalorie per hour, and that the total heat outlet will go to the chilling section as per the picture 1. So in this way the amount of chilled water requirement will be around 72 meter cube per hour. This is the calculation done for only 12,000 normal meter cube per hour of capacity of PGC. But if you go to case B, what I told, the heat means whatever condensate accumulated in the upper section of the cooling part, seal pot. So this heat will not go to the chilled water section. This amount of heat. In earlier, this heat, total heat was going to the chilled water section, but in the case B, this amount of heat we are taking out. In this way, we have calculated the chilled water requirement will be 49 meter cube per hour. In this way, you can save the energy, efficiency of VAM machine and other VAM unit will be increased. So this is a concept, this is the idea that we are just showing you. So this is our presentation. Thank you very much. Any question?
Thank you. What is what is the pressure drop in case 2?
So it's a 10 mm maximum than earlier one.
Sir, actually, in order to minimize the pressure drop, we have to do some modification in the PGC also. That portion we have not seen, but this is the main idea. Means less than means whatever I think 100 mm water column is allowed in PGC, but this will not go up to 100 hour. It will be below 50.
It goes into tank. So we are again adopting the first one in our next project.
That is okay. You can adapt it. Means the naphthalene and the tar means basically and the small amount of sludge will means deposited in the pipeline, and we generally clean it through the only.
We are doing everything, but we face many challenges in second one.
So Steve, the line is jacketed or open?
It's open.
No, it should be jacketed because heavy condensate was there. If you you try for jacket, then maybe the problem will not be detected.
No. Actually, what happened? जब बैटरी में ब्रेकेज होता है ना, तो ब्रेकेज बैटरी का जो फ्लू डस्ट जो होता है, वो जब आता है ना, तो आप उसको फ्लश आउट करके निकालने के लिए अगर फ्लशिंग लिकर का यूज करोगे, तो रिटर्न लाइन में ना आप जैकेटेड लगाओ चाहे आप स्टीम ट्रेसिंग लगाओ, वो काम नहीं करता है। हम लोग इसको देख चुके हैं, फेस कर चुके हैं, इसलिए हम लोग फर्स्ट वन पे जाते हैं।
नहीं ठीक है सर, एक्चुअली फ्लशिंग तो ऑल द टाइम पीजीसी में होता ही है, कार इंडक्शन फ्लशिंग जो भी हम लोग मतलब नया मॉडिफाइड पीजीसी में भी करेंगे, टॉप में भी या बॉटम में भी, दोनों सेक्शन में डालेंगे, तो दैट इज मैंडेटरी, मींस दिस शुड बी डन, बिकॉज नहीं करने से अदरवाइज नैपथलीन विल डिपॉजिट ओवर द पाइप, मींस द pipeline, and it will block the entire area, intersectional area, and the pressure will increase. So flushing
yeah, I also agree with you. Your second picture can save energy, but it creates a problem also.
No, this will not create problem. What type of problem you means? What type of problem you want to say?
Pipe choking issue.
No. वो तो आपके bottom में भी सेम है सर.
We are facing, still facing.
सर सेम कंडेंसेट जो टोटल कंडेंसेट जो जनरेट हो रहा है, वो हम लोग टॉप से भी निकाल रहे हैं, बॉटम से भी निकाल रहे हैं, और इन प्रीवियस मतलब जो इन जनरल प्रैक्टिस बॉटम से हम उतना निकाल रहे हैं, तो दो पाइपलाइन इज देयर, तो चोकिंग तो
Yes, we have two pipelines, but we still facing. Okay, no issue. Thank you.
Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
अब मैं बिजनेस सेशन के लिए ऑपरेटिंग कमेटी के सेक्रेटरी श्री प्रदीप कुमार पंकज सर को आमंत्रित करता हूं. सर प्लीज.
Good afternoon, Digitalization sir, Executive Director SRU, CTM Coco, Bhaskar Prasad sir, Head of Steel Manamandili Manoj Kumar sir, Head of NINL and Head of other different steel plants, Chair of Business of Bokaro Steel Plants, delegates from different integrated steel plants, consultants. I welcome you all in this business session. We are on the verge of completing this end of this technical session. So before going into a session, I have one request. Just RTCI want to go one presentation about what RTCI is doing in coal, coke and coal chemicals. Just a glimpse of the facility which we have at RTCI Ranchi. Please.
Good afternoon everyone present over here. Myself Anand Tiwari, Senior Manager Planning Coordination RTCSA. Sir, this is the today I will be showing coal and coke testing services. Like in Ranchi we have many services, testing services, but today I am showing only this coal and coke, only specific to this. So to begin, as all know, RDCS is a corporate R&D center established in 1972. It is a DSIR approved, ISO certified, and we have the subcenter in all the 5 integrated steel plants. This is a picture showing our earlier Director Technical, now Director Mining, Shri M.R. Gupta sir, receiving the award from the Honorable President of India, Scope Award. And these are the major research facilities we are having at RDCS Ranchi. Coal and coke, raw material and agglomeration, steel melting, rail testing, microstructural and texture, mechanical testing, thermomechanical simulation, corrosion and tribology. And these are the pilot facilities that we are having at RTCS, like coke oven, pilot coke oven, pilot center unit, pelletization unit, steel refining unit, experimental rolling mill, and slag valorization unit. And sir, this is deep technology marketing, extending our world-class facility to the Indian steel industry. RDCS offers specialized testing, consultancy, and contract research services to external organizations on a chargeable basis, fostering industry-wide innovation. These are the method that we adopt normally. And sir, this is the first one we are showing 250 kg pilot coke oven, with carbonate make. This is having a variable with moving wall facility, PLC based automation control, wall pressure measurement, all the features are. And this is the hydraulic stump charging we are having at RDCS Ranchi. And this is a mini pilot oven 20 kg, but here we can do wet and dry quenching. And these are the specialized apparatus like pole petrography, CRI, CSR, diesel fluidity, NTGK type, free swelling index, and precision thermal analysis like CHNS analyzer, TGA, dilatometer, ash fusion. And sir, already we have the two equipment NABL accredited, and many are in the pipeline. And these are our major customers like JSOL Odisha, Tata Steel, MS, Inspectorate Graphic, Tata Steel, and these are the other customers. This is specific to coal. We have other customer also related to steel and iron, but this is specific to coal. Thank you. And this is the mail ID, sir, Neeta C. She is the HOD at @cell.in. If you have any query regarding the rate or the test that you are interested, you can contact us. Thank you.
Just I want to mention the house, the laboratory facility, 250 kg pilot coke oven, which we have at RDCS, no other plants have in India. This is the only the facility, other plants having a pilot oven facility, but at RDCS Ranchi, we calculate wall pressures also. That's why Tata Steel, JSPL Group, all comes here for the testing, and they take AMNS, recently AMNS people is here, AMNS, they give us work regarding this. So this is the only facility in RDCS only. None other plants have this facility. Great. So from last 1.5 days, we have a lot of technical sessions, lot of innovations. We have discussed about automation, digitalization in coke oven and byproducts. At last, what is our takeaway? So we have to jot down also. So just I am going to show you the takeaways of different plants, and takeaways have been taken from you people only. So I have made takeaways of 2 sessions only, but due to time constraint, we have not able to make a takeaways of 3rd session since I have not got any feedback from you people. That's why, but I will jot down it and I will send it to you and as well as your management. So it's my duty to send all these takeaways of each and every plant to you and your management also. So just I am going to show you what are your takeaways. So if any things is missing, so you can consult me later on. First of all, we have a technical session 1 in which we have discussed about the latest innovation, automation and digitalization. So first presentation was from our opener batsman AMNS who have come for the first time, and they show about the double blower system in CDP and many other things. And the plants who are interested in this are Tata Steel Jamshedpur, Tata Steel Kalinganagar, JSPL Raigarh, JSW Vijayanagar, DSP, NINL, RINL and SEP. All have appreciated that they want this technology in their plant premises also. Coming to the next presentation, that was from ISP, radar-based photo sensor for detection of man to avoid any accident. They have shown a restrict coal charging from charging car in some specified oven. They have also shown installation of belt tear detection system. So plants who are interested in these are JSW Dolby, AMNS, HMC, DSP, RSP, JSPL, Raigarh, JSW Vijayanagar, NINS and RINS. Coming to the 3rd presentation by Tata Steel Meramandali. They show the online BD measurement system, commissioning of coal tower bucket elevator, commissioning of new ammonia liquor tank, replacement of exhauster, coal bypass control valve and related isolation valve to improve SSR parts by changing composition of circuits and many more, Kaiser, many more. And the plants who are interested in this is AMNS, TSK, HMC, TSK, JSP Riser, RSP, JSW Dolby, JSW Vijayanagar, DSM and RINL. Coming to the third one, which was presented by JSW Dolby for the digital twin implementation for exhausters, man-loss loco operations, modification quenching nozzles, high charging emission control project. So AMNS, HMC, DSP and RINL is interested in this. Next. Coming to the seventh presentation, which was shown by JSW Vijayanagar about the GPCB gas pressure control pipe and SOPRICO. So AMNS, TSK, DSP and many other plants are interested and they will try to implement in their plant. Coming to the eighth one, that is about the Tata Steel Company, I think I have forgotten, installation of flexible lifeline in open service platform ETC. And coming to the DSP, they have sold whole charging system of COP5, UMC and belt wear installation at CSP and many more. Plants who are interested, JSPL Riser, RSP, JSW Vijayanagar, RINL. Coming to the ninth presentation, it was given by NINL, that was about the reduction of SPM emission from COP by water spray systems in a chimney. That was very nice presentation, nice idea. JSW Dolby, AMNS, TSK and many other plants are interested and they will try to implement it. Coming to JSPL Risers, who shows the coal moisture control system, and they have shown that through heating in coal dryer with beer gas, they have achieved a moisture level of 9%. And the other plants, AMNS, TSK, RSP, BSL, RINL and DSP are JSW Dolby, AMS, NINL, TSK, RSP are interested in coal moisture control system. Drone-based coal stock pipe at BSP, and they have shown the installation of current transducer in main fan motor circuit, display its real-time current on HMI, bed fly detection, drone-based stock pipe systems, and AMNS, TSK, RSP, BSL, RINL, DSP is interested in design. Coming to 12 presentation of technical session 1, that was given by Tata Steel Jamshedpur, reduction in stack emission, charging emission, pushing force reductions. So JSW Dolby, AMNS, RSP, JSW Vijayanagar and RINL is interested adopting TSJ technology or technique, whatever. And coming to the 30th presentation of technical session 1, BSL, who shows the cleaning and rectification of preheaters in COP oven battery. And AMNS, JSW Vijayanagar, JSL Dugri, RINL said they are interested in adopting that types of systems or methodology. Coming to the last presentation of technical session 1, that was online fluid temperature measurement, that was shown by the Tata Steel Kalinganagar. JSW Dolby, AMNS, DSP, RSP, JSL Dugri, RINL said is interested in online fluid temperature measurement. Now coming to the technical session 2. Coming to the technical session 2, the first presentation was from BSL. They show the journey of coke oven and coal chemicals, how they have increased pushing, how they have decreased the quenching time. So AMNS, DSP, RINL, they want to go in their respective plants and adopt the methodology which BSL has adopted. Coming to the next presentation of the technical session 2, which was given by Tata Steel Haldia Medco about the online PD measurement, elimination of man-machine interface, strategic measures to drone-like enhancement, and this presentation was liked by JSW, Dolby, AMS, NINL, DSP, RSP, BSL. They want to adopt takeaways from HMC. Coming to the third presentation, Macron, case of the Silka Mix at NMDC, and Macron design battery was liked by MNS and they would like to implement in their plan. The best practice user RAM modification, change in logic in SCP machine to minimize the force, open wall scanning through laser system, JSW Dolby, BSL, RINL, and CET would like to implement all these technologies in their respective plans. Coming to the sixth presentation that was given by RSP, they shows how their good charging practices, heating control, oven walls, and refractive care, how they take care of refractive, carbon and deposit control, ceramics welding, that was shown by RSP. MNS is interested in all those things. Coming to the seventh presentation of the technical session 2, that was given by JSW Vijayanagara, about the restoration of COB port. There was a lot of heavy flame from different parts of the oven, frame pointing, sole pointing, end wax change, how they changed bucket plates, guard plate changing, heating wall temperature and charge level during the changing, problem and solution when oven got sticker. These are the technology or the process which will be adapted by BSL, RINL, AMNS, JSW, Dolby, State and DSP. Coming to the eighth presentation of the technical session 2, that was given by Tata Steel, Damania. That was given DSP about the care of ovens during repair of CV5 spoke punching cars, track line. That was shown today by Abhigyan. RINL, JSW, Dolby is interested in this, and digital intervention, feeding parameter, HMI, systematic hot repair of oven, COB10, oven walls of ISP. These is liked by RSP, JSW, Dolby and DSP. Okay. Coming to the technical session 3. Technical session 3, the first presentation of the technical session 3, which was about the byproduct, plant efficiency and value recovery, reduction in CO2 emission in coke ovens and coal chemicals, and that was given by the cell emission reduction measures, RSP and JSW Dolby. And the second presentation that was given by Tata Steel NINL, overview and upgradation of byproduct plant, enhancement of equipment, spectrolyzers, eco-friendly briquette manufacturing from industrial hazardous waste, improvement in coal tar moisture. And only since we have not collected the all feedback forms or their takeaways of technical session 3, so I am not able to right now say plants who are interested in this. So I am not going through this technical session 3, and I will send all these presentations to you and your management also. Now, okay. So this is the takeaways of this 1.5 day operating committee meetings on coal coke and coal chemicals. Now it's a time for the next operating committee meeting. So we have to, since many of the topics have been not covered, so I would like to request to give your suggestion for the topics for the next operating committee meeting. Anyone having any suggestion, please, for the topics for the next operating committee. Anyone having any suggestion? Or otherwise, you can give me later on also, through WhatsApp or any other modes, through mail, through WhatsApp, whatever. So topics for the next operating committee meetings will be decided by we only, since we all are the members of this operating committee. So topic is always going to be decided by we only. So if anyone having right now any things which is have been left out, so you can suggest me.
Benchmarking of KPIs. For example, I am good in some areas, others are good in some areas. तो बेंचमार्क करके कि आप क्या करते हैं जो आप अच्छे हैं उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में, उस पे it will add value.
Sir, for next time this will be the first technical session, benchmarking of the KPI. Sure, sir. Any other suggestion to improve the effectiveness of this forum? Anyone can have any suggestion to how to improve the effectiveness of this forum? And RDCI is not only the nodal agency for coordinating this type of meetings. We will also help you to transfer the technology from one plant to another. If you want something from other plants and you are not able to get any help, please contact me. I will help you. We will help you. We will help you. This operating committee forum will help you. Everyone, I request everyone. This operating committee will help you. If you are not getting anything or support from other plants in transferring this technology.
So there's one suggestion.
Yes, sir.
Yes. As sir rightly pointed out, when Lotus Communication was giving their presentation yesterday, since the property of a metallurgical coke, majority part depends on coal blend optimization, we need to focus on the coal part as well more.
Okay.
So
okay.
the coal chemistry, blending part and everything plays a major role when it comes to formulating coke for conducive for blast furnace use. So apart from logistics and processing part, we need to go more on the chemistry and how to optimize the blend part and what additives can be added to increase the volume and everything of the coke.
Sir, we will have a next time discussion on coal blending also, sir. Sure, formulation of coal blend. Sure, we will have discussion.
Another thing I want to tell is that apart from the regular jobs that we do at our plants, 2 or 3 or maybe even more special type of protocol jobs entailing safety also is done generally. So 2 or 3 case studies from different plants, if it is discussed in detail in this operating committee forum, then if similar jobs are undertaken later, then there can be learning and increased safety awareness for all. So that is one topic that may be covered. And it should be case study based, not general topic that this should be done, no. Case studies.
Sure, sure.
Sir, every company has their own core values. So if it is a honest suggestion, if we are presenting the technical part or lots of practice, so suppose one side, half side, they are showing their company or organization's values. So we are connected in the open forum, so we are know about the company values also.
We have a WhatsApp group of 51st Operating Committee, 52nd Operating Committee, and right now 53rd Operating Committee. I think most of us are the members of this, and you can go to your plants and encourage other people also to join that group so that we can interact with each other. We can, if you are facing any problem, you can post on the WhatsApp and you can get a solution from that WhatsApp group. So we have 51st, 52nd and this 53rd Operating Committee. We have a WhatsApp group and just go into plant and encourage other people also to join that group. And they can throw their problems on WhatsApp group and let us discuss on WhatsApp. So that can be done on regular basis.
एक और चीज इंक्लूड करते हैं, पैनल डिस्कशन. पैनल डिस्कशन में जो लोग कोक मेकिंग में लंबे समय तक काम किए हैं उनका टैसिट नॉलेज कैसे सर्कुलेट होगा, उस पैनल डिस्कशन में 4-5 जो दिग्गज है कोक मेकिंग के उनको इनवाइट करके उनको 1-2 घंटा का सेशन, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन आंसर, अपने एरिया का प्रॉब्लम आप उनको बता के कुछ सीख सकते हैं काइंड ऑफ. ठीक है, तो कुछ नया आपको इसमें ऑपरेटिव कमेटी में ये होगा.
Sure, sir. Next time You people are going to organize. Sure sir, sure sir, from next time we will improve that also sir. Any other suggestion, or should I announce for the next venue for the next operating committee? Any other suggestions, or should I announce the venue for the next operating committee? We are operating committee are very delighted to announce venue for the next operating committee, and that will be held in Tata Steel, Kalina Nagar. So please have a clap. Now, from operating committee, I would like to thank, on behalf of operating committee, all the members present over here and all the integrated steel plants. I sincerely thank BSL management and especially CCM Coven and Coal Chemical Sri Bhaskar Prasad sir, who agreed to host this meeting, and all his team members. If anyone wants to come and say few words, how they have organized it, how they prepared from tomorrow inaugural session to dinner, all those technical sessions, if anyone from our members, please, I would like to hear from Manoj Kumar sir, sir. Please come here, sir.
From there.
You can read.
So it was fantastic. Thanks, boss. It was fantastic. Right. So we are making business, और आपको मालूम है business का definition होता है to create value. तो values in terms of coke फर्नेस को देते हैं, और हर एक साल ये कैंपेन चलता रहता है कि कैसे कॉस्ट को रिड्यूस करें थ्रू ब्लेंड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, थ्रू प्रोसेस ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, कैसे ब्लास्ट फर्नेस के बिन लेवल को हेल्दी रखें ताकि हॉट मेटल का कॉस्ट कम हो। जैसा कि इनॉग्रल सेशन में बताया कि 70% कॉस्ट हॉट मेटल का होता है कोल के द्वारा, ठीक है। सो इस पे काम करते रहना है, और कैसे हम और इम्प्रूवमेंट लाएं, और हम लोग को भी बताइएगा आपके एरिया में अगर कुछ बहुत अच्छा चल रहा होगा तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है उसमें आप डालें, ठीक है। रहेगा डिबैकल से डरने का नहीं है, बट एक सजेशन है कि गाड़ी को गड्ढा में गिरा के और फिर निकालना, उसमें महानता नहीं है। प्लांट प्रॉब्लम में चला गया, फिर उसको रिवाइव किए, ठीक है। कुछ चीज ऐसा होता है जो कि हमारे परव्यू में नहीं रहता है, गॉड गिफ्ट होता है, जैसे वाइजैक स्टील प्लांट में जो हुदूद आया, ठीक है, उनका जो रिवाइवल प्रोसेस है उसको अगर आप उस पूरे स्टोरी को सुनेंगे तो इट्स गूज बम्स। दे हैव वर्क फैंटास्टिक ओवर देयर, और वो रिवाइव किए और अपना भट्टा को चला रहे हैं तरीके से, ठीक है। तो इसमें हम लोगों को काम करते रहना है और आगे बढ़ते रहना है। तो 2 लाइन दिनकर की पंक्ति है, 2 लाइन हम आपको सुना देते हैं। सच है विपत्ति जब आती है कायर को ही दहलाती है, सूरमा नहीं विचलित होते, हम कोक मेकर कभी विचलित नहीं होंगे। सूरमा नहीं विचलित होते हैं, क्षण एक नहीं धीरज खोते हैं, विघ्नों को गले लगाते हैं। आ गया डिबैकल, गले लगा लेंगे, हारेंगे नहीं, ठीक है। कांटों में राह बनाते हैं, अपना पाथ बनाते हुए आगे निकल जाएंगे, फिर रिवाइव कर लेंगे और खुश रहेंगे। थैंक्स अ लॉट, थैंक्स।
Anyone else who want to say something? How they felt during the inaugural session or dinner or during the technical session? Anyone?
Yes, I am from Durgapur. My name is Sumit Das. The last 2 days was a vital roadmap for digital transformation. The informations that we have received in last 3 sessions was really insightful. We think we'll be taking these knowledges to our own plants and it will be used to increase the efficiency of our own communities. From the hospitality point of view, I would like to thank the people of, it is a team of Cocoven of Bokaro Steel Plant and Bokaro Nivas. The service was phenomenal and exceptional. We really enjoyed it. The amount of food that have been given here was really tough for us to accommodate in our stomach, but it was a very good session. Hope this type of session only can bring the positivity in our total effectiveness in such type of technical sessions. Thank you CGM Bokaro Steel Plant, Mr. Bhaskar Prasad sir, for your invitation and allowing, we are really grateful to you all. Thank you.
Anyone else? Would you like to say something? Anyone else?
Myself Balram Jena from NINL. So on behalf of NINL and on behalf of complete Cocoven fraternity, I really like to congratulate Bokaro Steel Plant for successfully conducting this operating committee meeting. And really everyone has enjoyed a lot, starting from the hospitality to all the programs, whatever have happened in the yesterday night. So the presentations are really good and insightful, but the challenges are coming for coke makers, because as of all of you know, yesterday we were talking about decarbonization. So once the decarbonization technique has been completed, because it is in a pilot stage, so it is a threat to all the coke makers how we will develop so that decarbonization will not impact us very much. And the major threat is decarbonization. Second threat is from environment point of view. As you all know that CPCB is going for the stringent norm for coke ovens, whether it is pollution norm for fugitive emissions or the discharges from our effluents. So we need to have more focus on how to control the environmental parameters within norms, so that with zero alerts per battery, because all the battery chimneys are connected online through CPC servers. Similarly, now they are putting out the video analytics cameras, which will also connected online through CPC servers. So they can also visualize your battery from their control room or from their monitoring stations. So the door burning, door blazing, whatever we are monitoring physically, now they can see it from their offices. So that it will be more challenging for coke makers to maintain the production with maintaining the environment norms. So that will be a major threat to us, how we will maintain these pollution norms with these conditions. So I urge the operating committee to next time whenever you decide, so one session should be dedicated completely to the environmental concerns, because as a coke makers we need to be more focused on the environment. And lastly, I am really thankful to the Bokaro Steel management for organizing such a session. Thanks.
Thank you, Balram sir. Next time we will certainly introduce environment in that. Now we would like to hear feedback, especially for how was the stay, how was the food, how was the accommodation from any female participant. So I would like to hear from Jyoti ma'am or other from JSL. Please, any one of them.
Thank you, Pradeep. The hospitality was very good and indeed very exceptional, because this was my Asian plant, and especially from sir, and thank you all. The topics were also to the point and was discussed across managed program. Thank you.
Anyone else who would like to something?
Sir, myself Dovendra Kusaria from MNH India. सबसे पहले मैं सबको थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ। लास्ट 2 दिन में जितना भी टेक्निकल सेशन हुआ, लर्निंग तो बहुत कुछ मिला, और अभी हम लोग आने वाले कुछ महीने के अंदर हमारा प्लान कमीशनिंग करने जा रहे हैं। तो यहाँ पे मैं और मेरे साथ 2 कलीग आए हैं, तो जो चीज़ें तो वो देखे हैं, तो मैक्सिमम डिटोरेशन, बैटरी डिटोरेट हुआ, प्रॉब्लम्स आए, प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किए, नो डाउट काफ़ी चैलेंजेस आए, उसको सॉल्व किया और सभी यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करने में एक्सपर्ट हैं और सबका काफ़ी डिग्री एक्सपीरियंस है। तो हमारा एक जो लर्निंग था यहाँ पे लास्ट 2 डेज का कि वो प्रॉब्लम में नहीं आना है, जैसे कि डोर ब्रेजिंग होना, बक्सटे चेंज होना, ओवर डिटोरेट होना, सडनली तो बड़ा प्रॉब्लम एक बार में नहीं आता। स्मॉल स्मॉल कुछ माइनर सिम्टम्स रहते हैं, यदि माइनर सिम्टम्स को हम लोग स्टार्टिंग स्टेज में ही उसको कंट्रोल कर रहे तो हम बड़े मेजर प्रॉब्लम में नहीं जाएंगे। और इन डे टू डे प्रोडक्शन का प्रेशर, उसके चलते हम लोग धीरे धीरे उसको नेग्लेक्ट करते हैं, उसके चलते एक बड़ा स्टेज में पहुंच जाते हैं, फिर बाद में वहां से हमको रिकवर करना पड़ता है, उसके चलते हमारा कॉस्ट भी जाता है, टाइम भी जाता है, प्रोडक्शन लॉस भी होता है। तो स्टार्टिंग स्टेज में हम कंट्रोल करें तो हमारे लिए ज्यादा बेटर रहता है। तो लास्ट 2 दिन का जो लर्निंग था वो हमारे लिए परफेक्ट रहा और स्पेशली जो सेल वालों ने जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, पूरा अच्छी तरह से हमको वीआईपी फील कराया, पूरा वीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट दिया, उसके लिए सेल वालों को थैंक यू।
We have a lot of technical discussion, so we will only stick to hospitality, how you felt during these 2 days. We have a lot of technical discussion. So, anyone else? So, anyone else?
Hello. Providing the hospitality is one part, and coming to every individual person and asking whether did we meet all your requirements or not. And from day 1 to till now, and even from booking stage itself, how are you coming, where are you coming, this is our car, the car number, car driver. So individual aspects they have been taken care of very well. So we didn't expect this much of hospitality. So we shouldn't speak of hospitality, exceptional hospitality has been provided. We are very much happy with what you have provided, sir. So personal treatment is very well.
Sir, I'm myself from Tata Systems sector. One word बोलेंगे कि the best hospitality, the best hospitality. कल हम लोग देख रहे पार्टी में हम लोग देख रहे थे और डे 1 से जब से हम लोग मैंने स्टार्ट की जर्नी तो देख रहे थे कि फोन मैंने कहाँ पहुँचे, किधर रहे, आप आए कि नहीं आए। और भास्कर सर जब हमको साथ मीट तो कल डांस कर रहे थे ना, इट इज वेरी अच्छा लगा और नॉलेज शेयरिंग सेशन है और हमको लगता है कि ऐसे ही हर साल होना चाहिए। और नेक्स्ट टाइम तो करीनगर में हो रहा है, टाटा स्टील कर रहा है, तो हम लोग फिर एंजॉय करेंगे। और आगे वेजिटेरियन हमको जितना हॉस्पिटल मिला है लोगों ने लोग गार्लिक का, चलो हम तो अमेजिंग हमको आज ये था कि कैसे हमको मिल रहा था। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
हम भी 1-2 लाइन बोलना चाह रहे हैं। ये बोले कि टाटा स्टील जमशेदपुर का कितना लोग है इसमें? ठीक है, मैं टाटा स्टील के स्कूल से पढ़ा हूँ। मुझे याद है कि रीगल मैदान, अगर रीगल मैदान देखे होंगे पुराने जमाने में, तो 2 बड़ा स्कूल होता था, मिसेस केएमपीएम और आरडी टाटा हाई स्कूल, और बाकी जो है 10-11 स्कूल्स थे। तो सभी स्कूल्स के बच्चे जो है स्पोर्ट्स के बीच जो है वो रीगल ग्राउंड में जमा होते थे और सबका एक ही मतलब एक ही तरह का लिबास में एक ही यूनिफॉर्म था, स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म था। तो हम सब लोग जब जमा होते थे तो आज मेरे को ये ऑपरेटिंग कमेटी का जो ये मीट है वो पूरा मेरे को रीगल मैदान का सीन याद दिला। हर आदमी मतलब हर बच्चा एक दूसरे से ज्यादा तेज, मतलब एक दूसरे से लड़ने का, मतलब दौड़ना है तो फर्स्ट करना है, स्कूल का नाम अच्छा होना है। तो ये जो है इस तरह का मीट हर साल हम लोग चाहेंगे। ये फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग जो है होस्ट किए हैं, तो मतलब इसके बाद भी इतना तारीफ मिल रहा है तो हम मास्टर प्रसाद साहब के लिए इसके पीछे का पेन मतलब जो है जो हमारे बहुत जूनियर है, अभी वो लोग का भी सोचिए 5 साल 7 साल नौकरी हुआ है, वो लोग जो है जितना भी आप जितना देख रहे हैं कि वो आपका कार का इसका जो मैनेज कर रहा है, 2 लड़कियां भी हमारे साथ, प्रेरणा कुमारी और स्नेहा राजू, तो ये लोग जो है इन लोगों का एफर्ट प्लस उसका सारा प्लान तो मतलब सीएम साहब का था ही, लेकिन ये लोग अपने लेवल में जो बेस्ट हो सकता है वो किया है। और हमको आज रियली मतलब हम चाहेंगे कि 2-3 साल के बाद फिर से प्रदीप जो है अनाउंस करे कि ये मीट जो है बोकारो में।
Anyone else? Okay. Now we would like to hear from our executive director P.K. Dutt how he felt. He is from morning, so say a few words regarding this operating committee.
पहले तो सबको भूख लगा है।
आपको बहुत खाए
ठीक है, एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं है। जैसे कि पॉइंट आउट हुआ कि वी शुड बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक ऑन सम पॉइंट्स। अगर ऐसे कुछ हुआ है, अगर हम लोग भूल गए हैं, तो अगर उसको याद दिलाते हैं तो फिर लोग उस पर चर्चा करेंगे। तो ऐसे कुछ पॉइंट्स तो याद आया ड्यूरिंग माई 30 years कैरियर, तो मैंने सोचा कि कुछ शेयर कर लूँ। सो इट इज नथिंग फ्रॉम दिस, यहाँ से कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं है। जैसे कोकोवत शुरू होता है कोल हैंडलिंग प्लांट से, कोल हैंडलिंग प्लांट शुरू होता है टिपलर से। कहीं कहीं टिपलर कोकोवत के पास नहीं रह के RMHP के पास रहता है, जैसे बंकुर में, बट दूसरे जगह में मोस्टली टिपलर सेल में टिपलर मूवमेंट, टिपलर ऑपरेशन जो है वो कोकोवन के पास रहता है। तो उसमें आई वुड से कि वी हैव सीन हियर कि प्लेसमेंट ऑफ वैगन्स एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है जो डिसएंगेजिंग एंड एंगेजिंग द वैगन्स। तो डिसएंगेजिंग द वैगन में वी हैव सीन मिसा हमारे सामने हुआ है घरों में, एंड रिसेंटली नॉट इन कोकोवट्स, ऐसे ही एक मिसा सेल में नहीं हुआ है। आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली वो टाइम हमने पता था चलने तो तो ये एक इशू है, अभी तक अनरिजल्व है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे अभी भी बोला था कि वो टाटा स्टील में जाके देखा है कि कैसे लगे, बट नो वो लगेगा लेकिन नहीं है, उसको भी तो मैनुअली करना पड़ता है, एंड वो भी एंड वो उसको इंडिकेशन देता है, बल्ब लगाता है, उसको बोलता है, एंड फाइनली फेल्यूर होके एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। इट नीड्स ए टेक्निकल सॉल्यूशन फुल प्रूफ कि इस तरह का एक्सीडेंट ना हो। वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन टू इन एंड दुर्गापुर में साइड आर्म चार्जर में हुआ है। दुर्गापुर में साइड आर्म चार्जर में विषाद हुआ है, पैटर्न हुआ है, मुझे याद है एक्जैक्टली कहाँ पे मुझे पता नहीं, वहाँ तो कुशल टाइप नहीं है, वो साइड आर्म चार्जर है, एंड दुर्गापुर कोलाटी में हुआ है। Anyway, तो ये सब चीज के ऊपर में यू नीड टू डिस्कस कि इसमें सॉलिड फुल प्रूफ सिस्टम कैसे हम लोग ला पाए। दूसरी बात, एक चीज जो मैं ऑब्जर्व किया हूँ कि साइलो मैनेजमेंट, हम लोग के यहाँ तो स्टोरेज साइलो है, बहुत जगह में स्टोरेज साइलो नहीं है, वेट है, बट प्लेनिंग साइलो है। तो मुझे एक बार ऐसे जस्ट आया कि मान लो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि फलाना को दे रहा हूँ, एंड इतना नंबर वागन में साइलो में लोडिंग होना है, इज इट एंश्योर्ड एवरीवेयर कि यहाँ पे मिस्टेक नहीं होगा? बोकारो में क्या है? डेडिकेटेड है, मगर ऑपरेटर ट्रक के नाइट शिफ्ट में वो आप बोले हो एक्स में लगाना है, वो वाई में लगाया, तो फीडिंग हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता? बस इसी पर मैं परफॉर्मेंट नहीं हो सकता। आई कॉल पीपल देयर, मैं बोला कि ये एक आदमी कर सकता है, मान लो मैं बदमाश और मैं बोलूंगा कि मेरे को पता है 5 नंबर साइड में करने के लिए 6 नंबर रखो, और इंडिजीनियस MCC को मैं डालूंगा जिसमें ऑस्ट्रेलियन हाथ, अगर मेरा इंटेंशन खराब है, बट
बंद नहीं कर सकता। ये सिस्टम को हर जगह लगाना ये अब थिंक तभी जाके क्योंकि साइलो मिसमैनेजमेंट एंड ब्लेंड मिक्सिंग में क्या खतरनाक प्रॉब्लम हुआ है। I am a victim of that. I am an observer. We all have seen in Bukhara. कि इसमें क्या हो सकता है। तीसरा बात है कि ग्रानुलोमेट्री। Everybody we talked about the crushing intensity too. But what? has anybody thought of 18% का ग्रानुलोमेट्री क्या है? कभी डिस्कस होता है क्या आप लोग में? Polaric people, any plant, cell, non-cell, Tata Steel, anywhere. 18% का बारे में डिस्कशन होता है। 18% का ग्रानुलोमेट्री क्या होना चाहिए? कहाँ कोई बोल सकता है? What is the impact of that 18%? I have studied that. 18% का वो बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है M10 का ऊपर और M30 का ऊपर, मोस्टली M10 के ऊपर। इसको प्लीज स्टडी कीजिए।
Recently studied it. This is a study done micronesal you have mentioned. This is studied I think in the year 2005 when Mr. Others are there. We have bypassed secondary cluster. We have tested how this is impacting the core properties, the crushing fineness.
तो अभी आपका जो एनालिसिस होता है ये 18% का एनालिसिस भी आता है?
No, crushing fineness in coarse and fine दोनों में होता है कि the fine percent is going down, what is impacting, and I think Vinay is there.
But everywhere people think कि micrometers इतना होना है and 18%
fineness impact
18% का ग्रानुलोमेट्री क्या होना है? ये कहीं होता है क्या? तो इसको विश्वास इसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है। बहुत समय नहीं है बात करें तो बहुत काम हो जाएगा। और उसका कितना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट आता है इसलिए हम लोग खाली 18% बोलते रहते हैं, माइक्रोमाइक्स बोलते हैं, इस पर कोई डिस्कस नहीं करता है। इस पर देखेंगे तो यू विल फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस और आपको कोप क्वालिटी में इंस्ट्रूमेंट दिखने लगेगा। और जैसे रिसेंट पास्ट में आप देखिए हम लोग जैसे बोले कि हुदहुद हुआ, सिमिलर इंसिडेंट बोकारो में भी हुआ था। बैटरी 4 में डी गिर गया था, काइट कार गिर गया था। एक हफ्ता बैटरी 4 को लोग बंद रखे थे। तो पीपल माइट हैव फॉरगॉट हाउ वी हैव मैनेज्ड दैट, बट चेंज है व्हाट वी रिमेंबरिंग। लिख के दे के जाना नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को कि इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम होगा सकता है। एग्जैक्टली लाइक हुदहुद में भी एक हफ्ता बंद होता आ रही है और उस टाइम में द वे द रिकवर दैट वाज ए वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट हुआ था। या गौरीशंकर साहब गए थे, गौरीशंकर साहब आके बताए थे कि हाउ यू टू रिकवर फ्रॉम दैट अगेन। तो बट सिमिलर रिकवरी हमारा बैटरी 4 में नहीं हो पाया था एंड वी सफर्ड ए ग्रेट लॉस देयर। रिसेंटली बेल्ट डिजास्टर बैटरी 5 में हुआ है जुलाई। तो जुलाई में मुझे लगता है कि बॉक्सटिंग प्लांट में भी हुआ, कोल्हली प्लांट में भी हुआ साइमल्टेनियसली। नहीं, उससे पहले बॉक्सटिंग में हुआ था और अभी कोल्हली में हुआ। एक्चुअली कोल्हली में जब 30 दिन हुआ उसी समय मैं चेयरमैन साहब के सामने बैठा हुआ था इन दिल्ली, जब फोन आया कैसे। उस समय सब लोग बोला कि भाई कोप कहाँ से आएगा, फिर ठीक है डॉक्टर से बात करिए, पहले बात करिए कि फीडिंग अगर बंद हो गया, कोई अल्टरनेट फीडिंग सिस्टम है या नहीं है, कि इसे रिकवर करने में समय लगेगा, तब तक व्हाट हीटिंग कंट्रोल एंड बैटरी कंट्रोल एंड गैसिंग कंट्रोल एंड लीकेज कंट्रोल होना चाहिए, इसको देखना बड़ी जरूरी है। तो इस तरह का चीज अगर जो डिजाइन किया होगा, इस तरह का दस्तावेज आना चाहिए, इस तरह का कमेटी मीटिंग में अदर्स विल लर्न कि अगर अब इसमें हम लोग भी इस तरह का सिचुएशन फेस करते हैं, देन व्हाट आर द रेमेडीज, कैसे लोग लिए वहां से सीख मिलता है ना, ये सब कुछ आना चाहिए। दूसरी बात है कि जैसे एक चीज मुझे याद आ रहा है, हमारा यहाँ पे बोकारो में हुआ था, आप लोग शायद टेस्ट नहीं किए होंगे, लेकिन अगर कभी भी टेस्ट करिएगा तो देखिएगा लिकर टेम्परेचर खास करके मेजर इम्पैक्ट ऑन द लाइफ ऑफ द बैटरी, एंड आपको किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा अगर कोई बाई प्रोडक्ट का आदमी कैसे कर देगा। जैसे अब जब सब जेडेटी की बात हो रहा है, लेकिन कहीं कुछ हुआ लीकेज एंड उतना डिस्चार्ज आपको होके जा रहा है, तो आपको अपना कूलिंग सिस्टम में वाटर लेवल को मेंटेन करने के लिए आपको ये डालना पड़ेगा, क्या कोल्ड वाटर डालना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो फिर मेंटेन कैसे करेगा लिकर लेवल को मेंटेन करने के। और ऐसे करते करते जब आप बहुत दिन देखिएगा तब देखिएगा आपका लिकर टेम्परेचर कितना होना चाहिए, 70, तो देखिएगा लिकर टेम्परेचर डाउन होते तो आपका ट्रीसी मेन में टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए 80 के आसपास, दैट विल कम डाउन। अगर ये हुआ फिर उसका जो बैड इम्पैक्ट मतलब गुजरने का इसका जमीन में आता है, ये पता नहीं चलता है। बहुत रिसर्च करने के बाद हम लोग को पता चला था कि समवेयर वी हैव डन दिस, जहाँ पे लिकर टेम्परेचर कंटिन्यूअसली हैज कम डाउन एंड वी हैव सफर्ड ए बिग लॉस। सेम थिंग अभी तो मैं ये देखा JSW बेलारी, वहाँ का जो सीन देखा तो मुझे लगा वहाँ का सीन शुरू हुआ होगा जो रेगुलर मेंटेनेंस, cleaning, box cleaning, then tar changing, then liquor temperature, then liquor height, ये सब, then हम लोग जो मेजरमेंट करते हैं पोल हाइट, कोक हाइट, श्रिंकेज, तो इस सब में अगर कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग कॉम्प्रोमाइज किए होंगे, अंडरस्टैंडिंग किए होंगे, VM को ध्यान नहीं दिए होंगे, ब्लेंड में श्रिंकेज पर ध्यान नहीं दिए होंगे, तब इस तरह का ओवन घुटना, हार्ड पुशिंग होना, these are the impact। ऐसा हो क्या अल्टीमेटली फिर गुजरने जाम होना एंड वहाँ से फिर क्रश लीकेज शुरू होना, फिर एंकर क्लब जलना, फिर टायरर जलना, फिर उसके बाद तो कोई यार बोलने की बात नहीं कि उसके बाद क्या होता है। We all are witness to those kind of disasters in all the plants। सेल का हम लोग को हर जगह में ये प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं। तो ये सब चीज को अगर कहीं कुछ हुआ है तो कोई स्पेसिफिक चीज को रिलेट करके आप बोल सकते हैं कि हम लोग ऐसे किए तो उसमें ये प्रॉब्लम आया, ये परिणाम आया, ये दुर्गति हुई। और एक बहुत बड़ा इशू आया था JSW डॉल्बी, तो हम लोग सुने थे, फैक्ट हमको पता नहीं कि एक बैटरी का जो प्रीमैच्योर लाइफ, प्रीमैच्योर प्रॉब्लम आया था। उस टाइम एक बात आया था, आप लोग सब लोग देखे होंगे रिफ्रैक्टरी का यूज, जैसे हम लोग आयरन हम स्टील जोन में डालते हैं तो वहाँ पे स्लैग आके उसको एक मोनोलिथिक मास बना देता है, तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है। बट इन कोक ओवन्स रिफ्रैक्टरी डज नॉट बिकम मोनोलिथिक। रिफ्रैक्टरी अगर मोनोलिथिक हो गया तो बैटरी खत्म, तो मोनोलिथिक मास नहीं हो सकता है। तो जिससे हम लोग रिफ्रैक्टरी को जोड़े हैं, जब बैटरी तोड़ते हैं ना तब रिफ्रैक्टरी ब्रिक को पीस करके निकाल सकते हैं, उस तरह का कंडीशन रहता है। इसलिए सिलिका ब्रिक का जो एक्सपांशन है, सिलिका ब्रिक का एक्सपांशन को देखते हुए एंड यूनिफॉर्म एक्सपांशन को देखते हुए ऑलवेज हम लोग डिमांड करते हैं कि सिलिका ब्रिक इंटायर बैटरी का एक सोर्स से क्वार्टाइट रॉक से होना चाहिए, so that उसका coefficient of expansion will remain the same throughout the battery। जब हम लोग इसलिए एक जगह से नहीं लेके, जब हम चाइनीज ट्रेडर से लेते हैं, जब 4-5 जगह से वो ला के देता है, तब फिर हम लोग ये प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं, जहाँ पे ये कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्सपांशन मिसमैच हो गए, तब फिर हम कौन ओवन में कितना लोड देंगे, क्या करेंगे, वो रेटिंग में ये प्रॉब्लम आता है। इसलिए सबको ध्यान देना है आप लोग जो है भविष्य में जो बैटरी लाएंगे तो पहला, जैसे हम कोयला को चुनने के लिए एज स्टूडेंट टेम्परेचर का फर्स्ट पॉइंट उसको चुनते हैं, उससे ही सिलिका ब्रिक को चुनने के लिए the first thing we have to choose that silica brick must be, the entire silica brick must be from the same source of the raw material, that quantity must be the same. दो तीन जगह से हो नहीं सकता है, फिर होने से इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम आएगा. Then later on बैटरी का एक्सपांशन को और लोडिंग में हीटिंग का प्रॉब्लम होगा, कितना लोडिंग हम कितना एडजस्ट करेंगे. तो ये सब जो चीज है ये लास्ट में एक चीज मैं बताऊंगा. राउरकेला में जब हम लोग गए थे, राउरकेला के मैट्रिक्स उस टाइम हीटिंग में इशू आ रहा था, तो वी हैड फाउंड कि जो स्लाइडिंग जॉइंट था बिटवीन द फ्लू जोन एंड द रिजर्वर जोन, तो वहाँ पे दिया जाता है पहले हाई रोलर ब्रेक्स, देन सिलिका ब्रेक जो उसमें स्लाइड करे, क्योंकि ये एक्सपांड करता है, सिलिका ब्रेक एक्सपांड करता है. तो वहाँ पे ध्यान नहीं दिया गया था, इसमें उसी से लीकेज हो रहा था. फिर उसको हम डिवाइड किए थे. तो ये सब कुछ इश्यूज है जो हम लोग एनकाउंटर किए हैं. एंड जब जो मैं बात बोला अभी कि जो सीडीसीपी में जो चैम्बर का प्रॉब्लम है प्रेजेंटली, तो इसलिए बैटरी 12 में वी डिमांडेड इन दैट सिंगल निकॉन डिजाइन में सिंगल चैम्बर वेट फिल्म. तो ये सब जो बर्निंग प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम हम लोग एनकाउंटर किए हैं. एंड सब लोग को पता है, ये सब रिलेट करके हम लोग कभी भी इसको डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. कोई जरूरी नहीं कि सबको आना पड़ेगा. असल वीसी सिस्टम है, आप ऑपरेटिंग कमेटी हर महीना में एक बार कर सकते हैं. तो वीसी एक टाइम फिक्स करके आप लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं पॉइंट्स. इस बार हम लोग ये प्रॉब्लम फेस किए, तो सब लोग बैठ के सुन सकते हैं. तो होना भी चाहिए. तो कोको जैसा जगह है, इतना मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम आता है ना, तो ये सब होने से एक दूसरा समझ सकता है कि नहीं इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम है, हम भी इसे एड्रेस करना है. तो विद दिस इट इज हाई टाइम एंड आई शुड नॉट.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable insight. Now, on behalf of operating committee, I would like to clap for BSL team. So let's have a clap for BSL team. Now, this is the end of the business session. Thank you, sir.
Respected Chairman of today's session, EDSRU, Shri P.K. Rath sir, CGM CUNCC, Shri Bhaskar Prasad sir, distinguished dignitaries and dear participants. We now proceed to the felicitation ceremony, which is a humble expression of our gratitude and respect towards the distinguished presence that enrich this occasion. So, due to paucity of time, I will just Tata Steel IMDZ Jamshedpur, and the next one is Tata Steel Jamshedpur itself. Dr. Amitabh Shankar, Vinay Pool, Andesh Kumar, Bhavani Prasad Mishra, Satish Kumar. You all are requested to kindly take your seat after receiving the trophy.
Lakshmi, और साइड में देख रहा होगा थोड़ा सा. हो रहेगा ठीक है ठीक है थैंक यू सर हो गया ठीक है हो गया ना
टाटा स्टील जमशेदपुर ग्रुप प्लीज आप लोग थोड़ा ग्रुप में आए तो जल्दी होगा
बोलिए
Please take your respective seats after receiving the memento and certificate. Next is Tata Steel Kalinganagar. Tata Steel Kalinganagar Group. I am just taking their names. Bolu Rajshekhar, Rajesh Sabat, Chaturbut Sahu, Mrityunjay Giri Goswami, Raj Kiran, Basant Kumar Barwal.
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू आप लोग ग्रुप में आइएगा पूरा ग्रुप कर लीजिएगा साथ में हाँ हाँ साथ में देखता है तो मारिए
सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेमेंटो और सर्टिफिकेट लेकर काइंडली अपने सीट पे बैठें प्लीज उमेश चंद्र नायक रुपेश भाटे एंड मनोज कुमार सर Next is Tata Steel Haldia, Santanu Mathi and Jayanta Saha. Tata Steel Gamharia, Brahmananda Jana and Pramod Kumar. थोड़ा फास्ट करें प्लीज Tata Steel Narayanan is next. Balram Jena, Narayan Prasad Mishra and Ankit Kumar Pandey. As a token of appreciation, जो बैग्स और उसमें जो कुछ गुडीज आप देख रहे हैं वो हमारे CSR एक्टिविटीज के तहत सुरभि स्वावलंबन केंद्र की महिलाओं के द्वारा बनाया हुआ है.
थैंक यू सर
Next is JSW Vijayanagar Bellari, Amit Kumar, Srinathji and Y Vijay Kumar. Next is Jindal Steel Raigad, Kunal Dole and Sandeep Rathore. Next is JSW Dolvi, Abhishek Kumar, Shubhankar Bhadra, Shailen Gulekar, Dinesh Gadekar.
तो बोलिए सर कुछ जाने के लिए लेकिन बोलिए जा रहा है ठीक है ठीक है तो था ठीक है था
Nagar and Gargi Biswas. It is kindly requested to take your seats please after receiving your certificates and mementos. Please bear with us for a few more minutes. Next is AMNS, Domin Kosaria, Sumit Barai and Harsh Sinha.
Thank you.
Next is SAIL Bhilai Steel Plant, Vipin Kumar Dubey, Tarun Sachal, Anurag Kishore Deepak and Vikas Vikram. It is requested from all of you to kindly take your respective seats after taking the memento and certificates, please. Next is Durgapur Steel Plant SAIL, Samit Datta Roy sir, Samvik Das Kayashka, Sri Abhijan Banerjee and Shomani Saha.
Thank you.
Jitendra Kumar,
Thank you.
next one is say RSP, Vishwanath Panna, Udita Thakur, Anirudh Pikoka, R.K. Sharma,
Thank you.
next one is CET sale, Srimati Jyoti Dayal ma'am, Suresh Vishal Apu and Abhinav Kumar Singh. Next one is RDCIST, Pradeep Kumar Pankaj, Dr. Basant Kumar Sahu, Anup Kumar, Abhijit Das. हाँ, प्रमोद कुमार सिंह।
Thank you.
Next is CCSO, Dharmendra Kumar and Vivekanand Jaishwal. Next one is RINL, BKR Lakra and B. Vamsiri Krishna.
पीछे रहिएगा भाई।
Next is team from Mission, Arun Kumar Toko, Pankaj Kumar, Harun Ansari, Umesh Chandra Pancholi and Arka Datta. We are yet to have our group photograph, so please उसके लिए सब लोग अभी यहीं पे seated रहेंगे.
So,
Gaurav Sinha, Pawan Kumar, Vineet Kumar, Abhishek Vishwakarma, Abhinav Majumdar, Shashi Bhushan Prasad, and Nagvendra.
Thank you. Thank you.
May I now request Bhaskar Prasad sir to give a memento to Shri P.K. Rath sir for his gracious presence and presiding the session today. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you, sir.
Bhaskar Prasad sir, delegates from the various steel plants from across India, industry, R&D and consultancy experts and members of the organizing committee. It is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks at the successful conclusion of the 53rd meeting of the operating committee on coal, coke and coal chemicals held over the past 2 days. At the outset, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to SAIL RTCS for their continuous technical support, guidance and collaboration, which have significantly enriched the quality and outcome of this program. I convey my sincere thanks to CGM CONCC for his leadership, encouragement and valuable insights that have guided the proceedings throughout. I would also like to express our sincere appreciation to the chairpersons of the technical sessions whose effective moderation, insightful observation and guidance ensured focused discussions and meaningful outcomes from each session. My deep appreciation to goes to all the delegates whose active participation, exchange of best practices and sharing of operational experiences have made the technical sessions highly meaningful and impactful. I would like to place on record a special word of appreciation for the Coke, Oven and Coal Chemicals Collective of SAIL Bokaro Steel Plant for their meticulous planning, coordinated efforts and unwavering commitment which ensured the seamless execution of this program. As the saying goes, that there is a lady behind the success of every man, the same applies here. So a big thumbs up to all the lady delegates participating in the competition, and especially the lady members of the organizing committee. A heartful acknowledgement to the efforts of the facilitating departments of BSL like L&D, PRO, CNIT, ELN&TC, LNA, CD, FNA, HR, and to everyone who has directly or indirectly contributed in making this program a grand success. As we conclude, I am confident that the deliberations and learnings from these 2 days will transfer into actionable outcomes, driving efficiency, innovation, and excellence across our operations. Let us carry forward the spirit of collaboration and continuous improvement. Thank you all once again for your valuable presence and contributions, and wish all outstation participants a safe and comfortable journey back to their homes. Thank you.
सभी से मेरा अनुरोध है कि ग्रुप फोटो के लिए काइंडली पोर्टिको में आप लोग असेंबल होंगे और वहाँ पे ग्रुप फोटो होगा। ये कस्टमरी है और ये होना जरूरी है ताकि बाद में आप लोग ये यादों के तौर पे रह जाएगा। तो प्लीज अभी थोड़ा सा और 5 मिनट और समय लगेगा।
बेटा ग्रुप फोटो के बाद का भी प्रोग्राम बता दो।
लंच है, उसके बाद फिर आपको लंच